So this is for anyone who is sharing their Google form. Google has changed a little bit, even from the videos that I found on how to open up sharing settings. These are now undo, redo buttons. So I've made up this Google form, and what I want to do is I want to share it out. Now within here, you have both emailing options and the link options. But if you were to just share this, you can even shorten it, whatever you want. It's not going to open for the majority of people. So we need to make sure that we open up our sharing settings. So you're going to go under the three dots, click on add collaborators. And right here is one of the problems, is that it's set as private. So you're going to go here. You're going to click on restricted and anyone with the link. So it doesn't matter if they have a Hastings and Prince Edward email address, that anyone who can open that up can see it. And then you're going to copy that link and share that with them. You can take that and go back into here now and open up that sharing link, or you can just copy it from that setting. So that's really important for you to know, just so that you can make sure that everyone that you send the link to can access it.